Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Mackey. I'm one of the online instructors here at Central Christian College of Kansas, teach music appreciation. And Dr. Jacob Kaufman, the Director of Online Education, asked if I'd put together this short tutorial on how to upload a YouTube video. So two things you need to start. First, you need your Zoom account set up and verified through Central Christian College. Once you've got that done, or while you're waiting for that perhaps, you can go ahead and set up a YouTube channel. Now, it's pretty straightforward. If you signed up for an email account or social media, then signing up for a YouTube account is pretty self-explanatory and straightforward. So once you've got that set, then you can begin. So when you record your Zoom sessions to your computer, usually it'll start a folder that all of your videos are captured in. So as you can see on the right here, I've got a video that I recorded just a little bit ago that's set up in my Zoom folder. And on the left, I've got YouTube pulled open with my login credentials. Now, just in case you've got other people in the house who have a YouTube login, it's important to remember to make sure that you're logged in for your account when you do this. So I've got, you can see my little avatar up there. And as we go down, there's notifications, there's messages, there's YouTube apps, and then this is the icon that we want, which is to create a video or a post. So we're going to click on that camera icon with the plus on it, and it gives us two options. We can either upload a video, or we can go live. So we're going to click on Upload Video. Now when you do this, it'll go to the next page right here, and if you hover over this icon, it'll illuminate red, and it gives you two options. You can either select files to upload, or you can drag and drop video files. So in the setup that I have here, I could in fact just drag and drop this over here, and you can see that turns green when I do it. If you don't have that set up, then you can click on this instead and make your search then for whatever your video is. So I can do this quickly here, and I found my same video, so I'm going to double click on that. Now I'm going to expand this so that you can see this. All right, so some of the things to consider here, and this will go pretty quickly because it's a fairly short video. So if you're doing a half-hour long or 45-minute or hour-long video upload, this will take longer. So first thing is to choose a title. So when it comes up, it'll just be whatever the file name itself is. So in my case, I usually put the name of my course. So MUMS 105 Music Appreciation. I usually put whatever week we're in, and then whatever the content is. So I'll call this Guitar Jam. That'll work. Okay, now I'm going to copy that, because in the description what I like to do, just for redundancy's sake, is I'll put the same thing. So I've got Music Appreciation, MUMS 105 Music Appreciation, and then I'll use again week 1 and what the content is. Then I'll put Central Christian College of Kansas, and then I usually put my name right here, so that way it's a little bit easier for students to find. So the other thing you can do is you can tag your video, so that if students forget, if they don't have the link, but they at least remember your name and what class they're in, and the fact that it's for Central, you can use some of those same things as tags down here. So again, this is what I typically do. You can come up with a system of your own if you like. Once you're done, you hit enter. And let's do so that's kind of YouTube's own little search engine optimization, so that you can tag certain things and it'll come up with that. Okay, so at this point, I can scroll down here and you can see there are these little video thumbnails down here. So depending upon how long your video is, they'll give you an option. So, you know, like if there's one with your face right in the middle, or like maybe it's a slide that you're using or something like that, something that's going to be attractive, something that's going to hopefully show whatever it is that you're going for. So that one's not bad. Let me try see what the other one looks like. Okay, about the same. So Yeah, we'll go ahead and go with that. So one other thing is that you have the option to change the privacy setting on your video, and you can make it public, unlisted, private, or scheduled. Just to keep it simple, I would recommend going public, because then it has the fewest restrictions and it makes it the easiest for students to find. So I'm going to keep that as public, and now everything is done. I've got everything set and ready to go. So I'm going to hit publish. And again, that'll take just a moment because it's a shorter video. And now I have these options here where I can share it through any of these 7 social media platforms. I can embed it, like if I have a Wix or Weebly or some other kind of my own website, or I can email it. So if I want to then, just for ease of use, I can email this to myself. And you can see down here, Music and Faith, which is the name of my YouTube user. Music and Faith has shared a video with you on YouTube. I have my little optional message in there, rock on. And it's got everything there. And so I can even take this hyperlink. First let me click on that. And so I'm going to send my email. And my email has been sent successfully. And so I can click on this. And lo and behold, here's my video right there. So if you have any further questions on this, you can contact Cheyenne Croker in the SPE office, and he'll be happy to help you out. So until next time, God bless, and we'll see you later.